Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree and I see that they put out a whole list of new things for the for Halloween. So I see that they have different garlands here. They have them in orange. They have this one right here with the pumpkin heads on those. They have these right here with the little pumpkin heads. They have them in purple, black. They also have the silver ones here with the little skeleton head. So see that they have these pumpkins right here. These come in black and orange, and it looks like it's a citronelle. It's a flashing indicator light, so you just put a battery in there and they light up, but they come in orange and black. And I also see these little lanterns here as well. They come with the little battery, and you can light these up. Very cute. More Halloween decor. They have the rest in peace, the grave tops. Aren't those cute? And they come in white and orange. And I also see that they have the little ghost here. Those are really cute. So they have a lot of stuff here for Halloween in this particular Dollar Tree. So I'm not going to go over everything, but they have sticker boxes. They have these sticky eyeballs. They have the spider rings. They have the creatures with bats and worms and things of that nature in. They have the party favors. This would be an excellent store to come to if you're looking for party favors. They have the Whack-A-Pack. It's like a surprise on the inside. They have the paper lanterns here that look like this. They come in purple, orange, and I see that one right there is in a white. They have the necklaces. They have the paper jointed cutouts with the skeletons. Sack a surprise. These are treat bags. And they also have the wine glasses here with the hands on them, which are very cute. They come in orange, black, and purple. And I see that they have a lot of cups here, a lot of glasses here, and plates as well. And they also have the 4-pack of cups here as well. It says Happy Halloween. They have tablecloths. They have skeleton tongs, which you can pick up food with. Those are really cute. And they have the ice tray, the ice cube trays here, and they come in black, purple, and orange. And they also have these stemless wine glasses here. Those are really cute. I also see that they have the trick-or-treat baskets here. So if you're looking for your kids, when they go on trick-or-treating, they have these baskets here that they can put their candy in. They have the tombstones here that you can put out in your yard. They come in green, white, and they have some in black that says Count Dracula and the name of someone who passed away, maybe, Barry. Alright, those are very nice. So they have more decor over here. They have the little ghosts that you can hang all over. They have the skeletons that glow in the dark. They have the skull cranes. They have more decor, the skeleton garland up there. So pretty much Dollar Tree, guys. You can find all of your Halloween needs in this store. Look at all that stuff there. Very nice. You see that they've put out some of their Halloween costumes. They have the scary masks there. I see that they have bumblebees, ladybugs. They have the headbands. They have the little unicorn top here. Ladybug. They also have bumblebee. They have some of the skirts for the little girls. And they also have a lot of the headbands here. They have this one here. They have this one. And they have the ones that says with little hair on top. More skirts. And I see that they have some crowns here at the bottom. Some little princess crowns. Those are very nice. Alright, so they have more things for the Halloween day. They have these ceramic painting sets here. You see that skeleton face up there. They also have the ceramic painting set. They have the actual paint on the inside and you can color. They have the color your own ornaments. They have the DIY tote bags that come with the little markers. Here's another color your own decorative skull head here that comes with the markers, purple, green, orange, and pink. They have the pumpkin there. And also I see a lot of the felt stickers they have. They have the pumpkins with the bats. They have all of these guys, which are very nice. I also see the adhesive diamond wraps here. They have stickers. They have Google Monster Eyes. They pretty much have everything in this store, guys. So I'm just gonna take you down this aisle and let you browse and see what they have. They have the Create Scene stickers, auto coolant. Just look at all the things that they have. You don't even have to go to Walmart to get any of this stuff, or Target, because everything in here is $1. Alright. I see that they have some more of the light up ones with the candle on the inside. They come in white and orange. And I also see that they have ornaments out. So if you're putting up a Halloween tree, they have the ornaments here. They have them in purple and black, which is very cool. They have the witch hat picks. They have everything that you need if you're having a party. Look at the ribbon down here. They have different ribbon. They have them in different colors. They have the white here. Pretty much everything you need. Look at this purple ribbon here, which is very pretty. Purple and black in the middle. Alright, so I see that they have some scarves here with the pumpkins on them. They have these right here. They also have these scarves. They have this one here. They also have the drawstring bags here. Instead of the buckets, you can use these to put your candy in for trick-or-treating. They have the ones that come shaped as a pumpkin or a ghost head. And they also have the candy totes. Look at those guys. I think I would get these instead of the actual the bowls. They have them in orange and black. They have window decoration, gel stickers. They have the creepy, bloody creepy cloth that looks like blood. And they also have the black. And look at all this pretty decor. Look at the this right here, which is very cute. It has a bat at the end. They have this one here. And they also have the pretty skull heads here, which are very nice. More decor. They have the witch there. And they have the little different signs here. More masks. Look at these masks here. Isn't that one? That one is very cute. They have them in orange and black. And they have this pretty one right here, along with this one. If you're going to a Halloween party, they have the witch hats. They come in purple and black. And they have the small headbands here, which are very cute. And those come in black and they come in purple. Alright, so I see that they've put out their candies for Halloween also. They have the pumpkin spice taffy. They also have their autumn mix. I love candy corn. They have these here. They have the peanut butter kisses made with real peanut butter. They have the orange heads here with the candy corn on the inside. I see that they have the Halloween pops and they come in different ones. This one right here, it's like a ghoul, like a ghost, and they have the witch's head, the witch's hat on it, I'm sorry. They have the ghost. They have the ones with the pumpkins on them. so they have so much candy here, guys. They have more treat bags here. This one says Eek. They have this one right here with the little witch on it. Candy corn, spiders. This is the fun mix. They include sour flavor candies. I see the Boogers gummy candy. They have the candy corn cotton candy. They have the 3D gummy monsters. But they have a lot of candy in here, guys. A lot of candy, I tell you. Alright, guys, so I wanted you to look at the, this is Hallmark, a Hallmark company hotline. They have the Halloween cards out. And they have them all in different ones. They have great granddaughter. They have great grandson, grandchild. Any type of Halloween card you're looking for, but they're all for $1. Look at that one right there that says granddaughter with a little puppy on it. Here's one right here with the little monster on it. And they also have this one right here with a little cat on it. And this one right here that says granddaughter. You're nicer than nice and sweeter than sweet. You're cuter than cute from your head to your feet. Oh, isn't it cute? So I see that they still have the same candies out. I did see one that was new here. They have the Twizzlers filled, and it comes in an orange cream pop. I wanted to try that out and see what it tastes like, but this looks like a new find. I've never seen this one before. And they also have the Sour Punch strawberry straws, which I think are new. I've never seen these before. Alright, but pretty much all of the candies they have been here before. They keep these right here, the trolleys, which are very good. I really like the sour ones. Alright, so I've never seen these before. These are the birthday cake gumball droplets. These are a new find here. Are very, I need to maybe buy a pack and see what they taste like. You can see that they have my favorite candies, the Pop Rock, the crackling candy, and these are in the cherry flavor. All right, more double bubble gum. These are orange sherbet. I bet those are really good. And they also have the cotton candy ones, guys. Summer Splash. This is a limeade, pink lemonade. And they also have the painters, the ones that color your mouth with flavor. And they have the strawberry and watermelon. And let's see if they have any more. Of course, we've seen the birthday cake ones. Strawberry. And let's see. Now look at this right here, guys. These are the jelly donut gumballs. I think I've seen these here before, but I don't think I would want to try these out. It's a jelly donut, and it has a grape filling. I don't know about that. But anyway, someone may have their taste palette, a taste palette for that, but they were not me. Alright guys, a new find. They have a stencil wheel. It says create your own. And they have them in different ones. I think this one right here has different animals on it. A kangaroo, lion, elephant. Let's see what this one has right here. This one has flowers on it. But they have different ones to create your own little decoration. You can make patterns on cloth or paper or whatever you want to put on it. Very nice. Alright guys, so I think I've seen everything I needed to see. I just wanted to come in and drop through and see what type of Halloween decor that they had in here. And they have a lot, as you can see for yourself. But I want to thank you again for stopping by my channel. If you're returning, hello sis, go ahead and share with your friends and family. And as always, I do want to thank you for stopping by my channel. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.